My question is in Surah Al-Baqarah verse 26. Allah said believers will be united with their partners in Jannah. And I wanted to know if it's about their partners in this world or different type of partner.
You see, Allah Ta'ala says mates. They can be man or woman, both. So, one thing is that Allah Ta'ala knows better how He will make the partner in Jannah. If a person is doing good deeds and he is following all the commandments of Allah Ta'ala, he is worshipping Allah Ta'ala as prescribed, he pleases Allah Ta'ala, he has good morals, he will be sent to paradise. So, the person should also try, whether it's the man or woman, that their spouse should also do good deeds, so that when they die, they both go to the heaven. If a person is doing good deeds and wife is not doing good deeds, obviously she may go to the hell. And if the wife is doing good deeds, husband is not doing good deeds, vice versa. If both of them are doing good deeds, they will be together in the heaven. If they are not doing good deeds, then they will not be in heaven together. Then Allah Ta'ala will make some other partner, because Allah Ta'ala is the only one and He has made partners of everything. Right? In heaven even you would see that He has made your partners. So if we feel that both husband and wife, if they love here in this world each other, then the best way to be together in the hereafter is that they both of them do good deeds, so that they are together there in the heaven.
Jazakallah.
Thank you.